Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. Today I am showing you something that I have already shown you. It's a pair of headphones from Sudio, their model that is called 9 or Nio in Swedish. And my last video with those headphones got a lot of views and a lot of questions. So my plan is that on this video to answer all your questions. And the Sudio 9 or Sudio Nio are my go-to headphones at the moment. I have my JBL 225 something by the computer. I have the Sudio 9 in my everyday carry bag. And I wanted another pair to have laying in my car. And next week, the 26th, March 26th, Sudio is having a live concert in a really cool environment. You have to check my blog for that. And together with that live concert that is being streamed, they are releasing a new limited edition color that I really liked. So these are it, and they are, I don't know, green, but I would call them Northern Light Green. They're not teal, but they are so cool. Of course, I'm going to show you close-ups. But except from the color, they are just the same as the other Sudio 9. And the most frequent asked question about them is the power reserve, or how long do they last. And on Sudio's site, they say 20 hours. Oh, there's a different kind of green on the inside. They say 20 hours, but the headphones themselves, when they are fully charged, last 5.5 hours. So the headphones charge once, 5.5 hours, then you can charge it with the case, I'm guessing, 3 more times. So that adds up to 20 hours of playtime. But in one straight use, one whole day, 5.5 hours without being charged in the case or with the power outlet. And yes, they are very easy to connect to the iPhone. No problem at all. Just put them up from the case and put them both in, and they will connect to your phone as well. You need to do it once, of course. You choose them, but after that, they're super easy to connect every time. Yes, you can use them one by one if you want to save the power, if you work and talk a lot in the phone during the day. So you can use one before lunch and one after lunch, and they should last all day. And just charge them. You see the blinking? They are charging. So 5.5 hours for the headphones, 20 hours in total with the case, with charging in between. The price are 79 euro. I have a discount code. Usually I have a discount code. I have that today as well. Today the code is SIRP, not Sir Pierre as the last time, but check the link and check the description below for all that info. And why I like these headphones, why I really do prefer them instead of the Apple AirPods, is because they don't catch all the sound around me. When I'm talking to you via the headphones, they are catching my voice and not my neighbor's drilling or whatever. They don't have any kind of noise cancellation, not when listening to music or when talking, but all the Apple AirPods, the Pro, whatever, they catch up too much of the surrounding sound, and I hate that. I even hate talking to people that are wearing them. So these are a lot better in that way. And the sound when talking, that's mostly when I use them, they feel very warm, natural. Yeah, natural, that's it. And when listening to music, they are just as good as well. When listening to music, they are as good as the Apple AirPods, maybe a little bit more mid-range, a little bit more bass, and feels more natural. but for having talking in phone calls, they are just excellent. The best that I've found so far. And as I said, this colorway that are being released after that live concert next week, the 26th, they look blue on the iPhone I see, but they are really green. Let me see if we can do something about the lighting. Yeah, they still look blue, but they are absolutely not blue, I promise you. They are green. So sorry about not being able to show you the correct color, but check the website to see better pictures. And here on the inside you can see there's a different kind of green, more that teal green. So yeah, they look really nice. I think I got some questions about these rubber plugs as well. I like them because they cancel out a bit of the outer sound with them. They fit better if you exercise or so, or maybe if you, I don't know, shower with them. They are IPX4, so they are not waterproof, but they can take some kind of water. And yeah, the rubber plugs, it doesn't feel unnatural at all. And if you don't like it, just pull them off and they fit more or less like your standard AirPods, except from, you see that small angle and you see that small, extra small tip? That makes the sound transfer better in your ear canal. And this air hole, that gives you that more bass. So in every way, they are better than the Apple AirPods. The lighting was a bit more natural here in the living room, but they still look more blue on the iPhone than they do in real life. But a really cool color. And one last thing, I actually gave my AirPods away to my mom, but the AirPods case do not fit these cases, or the protecting case for the AirPods, Apple AirPods, do not fit this one, because this one is not exactly the same in size. I believe, you should check my other video, but I believe this one is smaller. So for more info, check my video. Of course, I will link to it. In that video, you will hear how the microphones sound. And yeah, that video is much longer. You see, 18 minutes. So check that out. This video was only for answering your questions and mostly about that battery time, because I missed that in my old video. So 5.5 hours, 20 hours in total. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that thumbs button, comment if you have any more questions, of course, and check the link in the description to see more of that live concert. Thanks for watching.